See, are we live? No idea if we're live. Okay, I think we're live. Alright, looks like we're live. Alright. What's up, Cosme? Okay. This is gonna be fun. Let me turn down my Spotify. What's up, guys? Those of you joining the stream. Today we're attempting to add the level editor to the game. So first off, we need to just grab some stuff. Yeah, I've been a bit busy lately with like school and work. So let's see. Let's grab this. Where do I need this? And let's paste it. All right. And we're gonna disable the zombie spawning and see if we can get player spawning working. So, where is my player spawner? Anyone know where my player spawner is? So, let's go find our player spawner. Player spawn. We'll just copy that. And we're gonna paste that. And we'll drag it here. Alright, so now we have this player spawn script. And we want to expose this. And expose that. And we're going to disable duplication and all that good stuff. And I think that's it. Alright, so here's how it works. Originally, I was going to have it to where you download Unity and you can, make the levels in the game engine, right? But there were some issues with that. I couldn't export some of the scripts and models because copyright, and it would basically be pirating if I uploaded some of the models and scripts for free because I use some assets. So this is all in engine, which means that none of it's exposed for you. So let's enter play mode and see what happens. Oh, okay, we got a little bit. Okay. I think what's happening is that it's spawning the player. So let's see. I think I need to do some coding. But it looks like it's wanting to spawn the player. But let me see if I can just... Let's see. So we have this. This is what you guys will see, by the way, if you're making a level. This is the interface you're going to see, which is... It's pretty close to what I'm using. This is so cool, though. Oh. So, this... I don't see the... Expose to editor. Custom bounds. Can't inspect. It's not showing me any of this stuff, which is ideally what I want to see. Let's just enable that and see what happens. Well, okay, I have an idea, but first off, let's just adjust. Let's see. Can we expose this? This is so interesting. Gameplay rich. Okay, this is kind of stuff that doesn't need to be seen by. But this cube and the sun. Let's go grab a piece from the lab. So we're gonna grab this floor, copy that, and let's go back to the level editor. We're gonna reset you. We're gonna drag you here. Expose to editor. Alright, now let's see if we can mess with the flooring here. Come on. Alright. Okay. We can kind of mess with it. It's not showing the handle though. Like the little arrows, which is not ideal. We want to be able to see that. But we can look at this and kind of edit things, which is pretty sick. Can I duplicate this? Oh. So we can start just duplicating stuff. That's pretty sick. That is... What components do we have? All the default Unity components, it looks like. I don't know if there's like a... Oh wow, there is a save system as well. This is kind of crazy. Okay, so... It doesn't have all the shortcuts that Unity does, it seems like. But we can start messing around with like objects and stuff, which is pretty sick. This is kind of nuts. Let's see, main. Right. This camera doesn't need to exist. And let's just move this down. Ideally, I do want it to where you can modify game mechanics. I am planning to mess with the or trying to make a system where you can create your own scripts and kind of play with the game's code. Where did my player spawn go? Let's grab our player spawner. I need to add that to the... Wants to see a map that I was working on. I was working on the Pool Day CS map as a level. So we want to expose this. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to read some code. We're gonna have to do some reading, which kind of sucks. I'm just kidding. Where is it? I want to find the documentation. README. Clear documentation. Copy. Alright, so exposed to editor. Interface I dependency. I want to see if we can expose some of our variables. I drag and drop. Runtime built in. All right, let's see this. Like to expose to editor. I wonder if it's because some of these are private. So if we let's see if we can expose the amount of points we start with. So, and I'm gonna disable automatic player spawning for now. It's so laggy. Come on. Private. Pool. Spawn player equals my computer shitting itself. Okay. Spawn player. If spawn player. Boom. All right. Do that. Come on. Come on. You got it. Okay. So we'll turn off player spawning. Now, hopefully, in the level editor, we can adjust the amount of points we start with. All right. I forgot to drag it in. So if we drag this in, exposed to editor, I wonder if this has like a gizmo. Sphere collider gizmo? Maybe we'll get some errors here. Very cool. So, okay, it's still not showing the player spawn script, but this is where the player is going to spawn. So I have an idea here. We're going to make this public, and there should be a method to where if we start it from the editor, we can fire off an event. So, okay. Let's see if we can. Don't make me read. Hold on. Let's see. Okay. Runtime selection. Runtime. All right, let's do a control F. Play mode. Play mode. There has to be an event that fires off when it enters play mode. Let's see. Gizmos. Run. Might have to look at this. Europe. I feel like there's got to be a gameplay advance. No, this is just my shit. Okay. Camera compatibility mode. What is that? Is this what we're looking for? Let's just see what happens. Player spawn. It's not there. Spawn player. Apply. Let's refresh. So if we go here, spawn player, and let's move view to 0, 0, 0. Same with you. All right. Now, what is that email? Okay. So we have this player spawn. So why aren't you showing your, it shows this for these objects, but not this object. Let's see if we can mess with that. Reason not. It doesn't look like it's doing anything different. Here. Let's just get a cube for now. Cube. Expose. Expose. Okay, now let's see if we can mess with some cubes and get the player spawning. See, why would it not show it there is my question. Anyways, let's just get a nice long floor going. You know, we like ourselves big cube. Then let's go to the player spawn and let's spawn the player like, I don't know, like over here. Whoa, that was deceiving. That's a deceiving height. We need a visualizer for the player spawn. Accidentally delete that. And player spawn point. Whoa. Okay. And we'll just spawn him right there. Alright. Let's enter play mode. Set collider. No? Okay. We need to find the proper event that goes off when we enter play mode. Let's go back up. Doc GPT assistant. Hold up. Hold up. Fire off event. It has a chat GPT assistant. So fire off event when enter play mode? Let's see if it can cook. Private IMTU. Oh. Hold up. Hold up. There's no way. There's no way. So we have that. Private IMTR. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Okay, well. Doesn't look like it completely knew what it was doing. Or did it? So why would I have an error? Let's see. Maybe? Well, there we go. It kind of knew what it was doing. Spawn. I can't fucking type. Okay. Start. Let me just organize this. Spawn. There's no way. I'm in denial. Okay. So, if my theory's correct, it should just work. Player spawn. Let's mess with our guy here. Player spawn. And we'll just put the player like up there. Play mode? Oh. What? Okay, it's not rendering the camera. But I mean, you could see the player. That's crazy. And the pause menu is also like going crazy. What is happening? That's kind of crazy though. It shows my debugs too, which is pretty crazy. But I mean, we got player spawning working. How does this work? This is like black magic to me. I do want to get the camera working. And how we do that is beyond me. Let's go to our fucking player. UZG camera. It is tagged as the main camera. Camera main. I just put a camera here. Or let's see. Do we have like a certain thing that we have to do? Spectre config? I don't understand that. Oh, it's doing something. That's a lot of stuff. Lord. And we're getting a bunch of errors in the log, which is always a good sign. Okay. Let's see if that did anything. Okay. So let's just put a bunch of cubes. Yummy. We love cubes here. And go into play mode. Still not showing the camera. Fuck the maps. Yeah, it's not showing our camera in the game. Do I have to add like another one? General add. Not really. It's not showing our player. Hands touch API. Whoa. But I mean, the player's kind of like. You can see the player moving, which is pretty sick. What happens if we exit play mode? Whoa. It keeps duplicating our players. That's so funny. We got 3 players. We got 3 fucking players. Is there an on play mode state changed? Okay. Play mode state changed. Where'd my documentation go? I lost it. Let's see. Battle hub. Blah blah blah. README. Where's the README file? Does anyone see a file that says README? Where is it? README. All right. So it's kind of cool that it has ChatGPT integration. Play mode state? State. Is there no like mode? Ability, view model. Runtime. It's an ACID database stuff. This is pretty cool though. I want to figure out where the play mode stuff is done. Okay, I think I have an idea of what is happening here. Instantiate. I think we need to do player dot transform dot set parent this. Hey, my bad. Okay, well, that's gonna break. Let's recompile. Cannot. What are you talking about? You don't have errors. It's in your head, dude. You're imagining these errors. And what if we can do a switch? M underscore editor dot. No. Bro, where's my fucking autofill? Is playing. Interesting. So we could do if m editor dot is playing, we spawn player, else my computer is like shitting itself so hard right now for some reason. Player, so we can do destroy player. There's like so many like little hitches whenever I okay. So now let's save. Okay. Can I dock this? There we go. So let's player spawn. Yeah, let's just spawn him like, let's put you there or something. And then we'll put the player spawn in the middle. Wow, I'm so bad with like depth perception, it's crazy. Yeah, let's enter play mode. Okay. The player didn't spawn. If it is playing, let's do a debug. Jesus. Debug.log. And then if we're not playing, we'll just say, fuck you. Playing. So why isn't the player spawning? And then it says, fuck you. Is it this that fucked things up? That's cool. So now the player spawns. And then, oh, cool. And it gets destroyed. We're still having the issue where the game window's not showing. Let's see if this guy knows. How to show camera in game window. To show the camera. Main camera. I spawn a player when play mode is started from the RT editor, but it doesn't show the player camera. Is there like additional? So it says it automatically will what are you doing here? I don't know why it's already here, but I'm not gonna question it. Who are you? Why is it just sitting there menacingly? Anyways, let's go here. Camera. I think we have an issue with the camera being on the wrong layer. Let's reload this scene. Okay, that kind of fixed things. And let's try it now. Okay. So let's just make sure the player spawns like right there. Well, that didn't work. I like how it shows the UI too on the over everything. No cameras rendering. Would you like to tell me why? Let's do some Inception. This is some Inception type shit. Look at this. This is what I see. This is what you guys see. All right. Blah blah blah. There's so much shit here. Camera. Beam camera. I wonder if like the that's weird bug with that. But if we just put a camera by default, what's gonna happen? No cameras rendering. Not even with the new camera, it wants to render. So, what exactly is going on here? I wonder if this was our issue. Here, let's just delete everything in. Let's just redo some things. Why is this here is beyond me. And we'll work with our cube guy. So let's go to tools, create, extensions, use, yeah, add. Okay, I forgot the camera. Never mind. Camera. Main. Yeah. Because I want to see if it like needs to have the camera like pre-existing as opposed to like um spawning it in, which is not ideal. Still no game camera. Even if we do enter play mode. Let's take a look here and game, game, game view, camera. So it looks here that this is where the camera gets assigned. Editor. Huh. Okay. I think I kind of see what's going on here. So let's enter play mode. And let's create Inception. Let's find the game window. Are you what I'm looking for? Runtime game window. And it looks like he didn't want to find the camera we want to use. Let's see. So if we just assign this, what will happen? Yeah, this is our camera we have just sitting. If we refresh, if we enter play mode, no, nothing. Yeah. We delete that. Camera. Now it's set to our player camera, but it's still not rendering. Let's do some looking. Wonder if I just have to reset the layout. No. I like how you could just go through all the game settings. Let's see. This is crazy though how this kind of works. And let's disable the player. Okay. I mean, this is our main camera here. Let's see. RTSO. Let's go look at the documentation. Game camera? Game view camera script. Oh, is that what we need? I think that might have just been what we needed. That's embarrassing. Yeah, that's all we needed. Okay. Well, apologies, everyone. Make sure you read, guys. That could have been fixed in less than a minute. So let's add the game view camera. And we're gonna let's see what happens. No cameras. Okay, so that's expected. Turn this on. Set collider. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. We got. You can play the game in the game while making a level for the game. What Inception shit is this? Yo. This is so weird. Okay. So let's exit play mode. What is this? So that's player spawn, right? Yeah. If we just mess with the cube, let's duplicate the cube. Let's see if we can make a little parkour level. Some crazy parkour. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Oh no, it didn't work. I think the camera broke. I wonder if I can. Yeah, some stuff is kind of breaking if you do it more than once, but this is really interesting. Do we have conflicting cameras? Oh. That's weird. It didn't want to add it again. Oh shit, I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. I fucked up. I fucked up. I don't think there's enough. Ow. Okay, that jump's clearly not possible. But it is kind of cool to like. Let's see if this jump will be possible. And then this is kind of annoying. I don't know why it didn't want to save the camera. Yo, that's sick. Okay. So, next on the agenda, we need to figure out how exactly to make it to where you can modify the amount of points you spawn with and change like the starting gun. Let's see if it's not I don't think it's displaying right now. Player spawn. No. Okay. So we'll just call this player spawn manager for clarity's sake. And let's see if we can expose some stuff. So let's see if we can how to expose float in editor. Is this gonna work? Because we have what is it? The player spawn starting points, but for some reason it's not like showing. Exposed to editor. It doesn't exist. I got lied to. You're so stupid. Do I have to expose? Show? You lied to me, bro. Bro, this does not exist. Bro, he admitted it. Load exposure. Motherfucker got caught red-handed. Okay. Let's see if we can figure this out. How do I expose that? Boop, boop, boop. Bar. What in the fuck? This is so cool though. Whoa. I just want to show the float. Custom property types. Okay, let's see if we're onto something here. Put that on the top monitor. So I think I need to make another script. Let's just do a level bigger. And we'll do player spawn manager descriptor. No, if we do that, custom type descriptor base of player spawn. Player spawn? Did I not name it that? Or UCG player manager. Okay. Player manager. So we do a public override. Why isn't my autofill wanting to work? Okay, in that case, I'm gonna fucking copy paste it. My shit is acting so slow. So let's see. If we go here, we want to modify player starting points. So we'll just do float x. Shit. What are you smoking? X dot player. Let's see, I think I need to expose this. We do get return player starting points, and then set player starting points equal to value. Let's just make this look a little bit neater. Oh, these should be on the same one then. I think, is that how getters work? Does anyone here know how getters work? Why is that giving me? Am I regarded? Does it need to be here? I swear I've used getters before. I'm not a fraud. Okay, it was just taking forever to update. Maybe? Is this how that works? Maybe? All of that. And just to show a number. Well, fuck. That didn't even work. Spawn. UZG. Okay. This is tough. Do I need to add a do I need to add the script here? No. What do I do exactly? Inspector config. God damn. Custom type. Okay, so I think I need to do this. Editor? Let's see if that worked. Whoa. This is so crazy though. It's kind of Wow. It kind of just broke. Maybe it's just the script that's not good. I mean, it's just floats that I want to display. Hmm. Time editor. Which one was it? Spectre. Man, my brain is going poo poo mode. How do you spell component? Is it like a flow editor? Oh my god, my birds are going crazy. Google flow editor. So it needs a component editor. This is so cancer. Maybe now? Yeah, I mean, maybe that script I had was doing something. Let's find my trash bin. Let's restore it. Restore. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We're gonna get this working. Never mind. What were the other steps? How does mine compare? I wonder if I'm just using the wrong prefab. Dude, custom type editor? Let's see if that works. Okay. Motherfucker! Editor prefab. But okay, I think this is so confusing. UZG player manager. See, and then we need a register UZG properties. All this to display a fucking float. The editor extension. Let's just copy some of this shit. God, kill me! Alright. Protected. Jesus, this shit is so fucking slow. Don't actually kill me. Is this it? Is this it? Is this what we've been waiting for? This might be what we're waiting for. Come on. Let's see. Put that there. And what is this? You know what? Fuck it. Play mode. All right. No, wait. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. It's kind of working. Pool flow editors. We're showing the starting points, but it's not a number. It's a checkbox. It's a fucking checkbox. It's a it's a checkbox. It's a fucking checkbox. Is this? This might be. Let's see. Let's do bar field 1 equals strong. What is strong? Fuck is strong? Dot member info UZG layer manager X dot player starting points. Okay. Right. Am I locked in? Strong. I'm not locked in. This needs that. Okay. So we have field 1 and does this need the same name? This might need the same name, so let's are you null? Are you component editor object converter? Component descriptor base. All right. All right. All right. I feel like we should get rid of that script. I don't think it's actually doing anything. I really don't think that's needed. You motherfucker. Ugh. I'd like to know why you're not wanting to work. Do I need to make it serializable? I feel like public classes should be serializable by default. Starting points. Editor. Dot components. Let's fucking go. I'm thinking. Why is it this though? Did I fuck up somewhere else? Inspector config. Let's go find our player manager. What is this toggle first off? I don't know what that toggle does, but I think we need to tick it. And we'll do component editor. I literally cannot spell component. And we'll save it. Okay. Let's recompile. Okay. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Alright, over under this shit works. Holy fuck. What? It like almost worked. It's giving us a different result, which is good. Chat GPT is useless, as usual. Is this only for like strings? Name, vowel, flow. You know what? I think we have to go back in time. Let's go back in time. Because I did. I think I need to make it serializable, which I did do. Okay. Spawn player. We need to make some fucking getters, it looks like. I don't want to like show everything, you know. Is it like gonna force me? Because I just want to do the starting points right now. Dude, my editor's going so slow. Why are you showing an error, bro? Actually, like, I'm a fraud. I'm a fraud. I'm a fraud. I thought this would have been it, honestly. Hmm. I think I was on the right track earlier. And let's just. Wrong. Yeah. Get rid of that. Player. Player. Starting points. Launch strong. Editor. Dot components. Spam the save button. I'm gonna crash out if this doesn't work. Why though? It's just a number, bruh. I shit you not. Because this is just the label. I don't think the label matters. What is that? What does that button do? Was that wacky? Maybe that was my issue. Let's see. This is so hard for no fucking reason. Let's do a test. Public float poo poo equals 1f. Poo poo. This is real programming. X dot poo poo. The poo poo test value. Okay. Okay. Come on, poo poo. Don't fail me. Alright. Poo poo, you failed me! Why? Does it have to be a string? If it's only strings, equals poo poo. Because right here, this is string field one strong.member info x.field one editor.components field one. Editor. Poo poo. All right, let's see if poo poo wants to work this time. Come on, poo poo. Where's my goat? No? Why are you still saying starting points? That's my question. Oh, poo poo. Poo poo. What? What? Poo poo? Poo poo. Did it work? I can't edit it though, which is not ideal. Public string. Field one is just a public string. And then here it just gets it. But his looks normal. And enable the component editor. Where is it? Component editor. Maybe Poo Poo wants to work. What the fuck? It's just not showing anything at all now. It's always fun. I wonder if there's any like video tutorials that I'm missing out on. Let's find out. Runtime editor. Like a Discord? There's not. Ideally, we'd have it. So what's the Telegram? Hmm. Let's see. Starting points? This seems to do something. Yeah. Well, anyways, I'm gonna figure this out off stream, do some off camera mining, because this is probably boring, and I've been at this for like an hour just trying to show that fucking flow. But I'm gonna learn more about how this system works, and then we'll lock in. But this was a this is a cool first attempt. I mean, it's pretty sick how it kind of works. Let's see. Let's disable that for now. Because I mean, you can. It kind of works. You just can't change like certain variables, which is gonna be needed. Because let's see. I think we can just fuck around. Get a player spawn point. We could just mess with that. Then we can play it. See, I think I need to mess with my player prefab. Camera. Camera. View? Don't view camera. I think that'll work. So I think we can just we'll spawn them like back here. And what? Game object 3D. It's kind of cool though how we can just make shit. Now nothing's working. Let's adjust the lighting. I wonder if it's because my layout's all fucked up. Let's go into play mode. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty sick. Things kind of just work. And then let's exit. Let's make a parkour level. So let's undo that. Shift D. Undo. Shift D to duplicate. We can go down. We can do a little sliding ramp. And then Shift D. Okay, let's just do like another like a jump or something that you have to do. To set up. Why does it remove the camera? That's my question. Let's see. I think the sliding momentum stops. A little parkour. Which is interesting. Anyways. I gotta go get a pump. I'll lock in if I get a pump. Maybe that'll fix it. Okay, maybe now. Get the camera. And we get it consistently. There we go. That's sick though. Goodbye.